If you are a video editor and want to edit the videos in CapCut Pro version, then you have to follow this video. You have to do nothing, just install the latest version of CapCut. As you can see here, I applied a voice changer filter, which is also a paid version, on my voice, and even I add here a transition, slide bar transition I added here, which is also a paid version. I am applying again. So it's apply, you will see in the screen. And on video I add a HD stabilizer, which is also, you will see a purple icon, a paid version, a CapCut Pro version. Even I am adding an auto adjust filter, and you can even adjust the speed here, and add a smooth slow mo version here, which is also a pro version. I am just applying this filter to know I added all the pro details. Here I added an animation. So once you apply all the pro version, then you can simply select all the layers and right click and click on create compound clip. It simply compound your whole video. So go into video, and then you can apply a motion blur filter, which is 99% only apply. You will see a progressing bar at the bottom of the video where a motion blur filter is applying. Once it's finished, then you simply go into a window C, and here you will open a users option. Open your user and click on app data here. In app data, go into local and open a CapCut application and go into user data. Once you click on user data, you will see a cache folder. Click on that and then find a motion blur cache. Here you simply get your video. You will see here appearing. Copy the video and paste it into desktop. That's how you can use all pro features of CapCut without activating its pro version.